Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to study the circular flow of income. What do you mean by the circular flow of income? The circular flow of income and expenditure is the pictorial representation or the diagram that shows the interrelationship and the interdependence among the different sectors of the economy. We already studied about the different sectors of the economy, that is household sector, firms, then government sector and the external sector that we already studied in the last class. Here, how these sectors are interrelated or interdependent, and how the income is flowing in a circular way in the economy, that is circular flow of income and expenditure. And in this topic, we are going to study the pictorial representation of the circular flow of income in a simple economy, how it is interrelated and how it is interdependent, these sectors. The circular flow of income in a simple economy. This is the pictorial representation. Here we can see the topic is circular flow of income in a simple economy. What is a simple economy? A simple economy is a two-sector model which include only two sectors, that is household sector and firm. We are going to study a circular flow of income in a simple economy. So see the picture, the diagrammatic representation of circular flow of income in a simple economy. There are two sectors in the economy. The first one is household sector and the second one is firm. Let's see how the circular flow of income in a simple economy. Circular flow of income in a simple economy is the circular flow of income of two sectors in the economy. The simple two-sector model based on household sectors and the firms. These are the two sectors, household sector and firms. See the facts. The first one, see the points. There are two sectors in the economy, that is household sector and firms. See the picture, household sector and the firm. There are two sectors in the economy, household sector and firms. Household supply factor services. Look at the picture, factor services, household from the household sector. Factor services, household supply, factor services. The firms buy the factors of production. Household sector supply the factor services and firms buy the factors of production. So what is the factor supplies? That is factor services that is given by the household. They are land, labor, capital and entrepreneurship. These are the factor services supplied by the household sector. So, and the factors of production purchased or buy by the firms are these factor services: land, labor, capital and entrepreneurship. And the third point, household spend their entire income on consumption using the factor services that is provided by the household sectors, or the firms purchase or buy the factors of production from the household sectors. Using these factors of production, they work on these factors of production, and what they produce, that the firms produce the goods and services needed for the society, and the households spend their entire income on consumption, on the purchase of the goods and services produced by the firms. Third point is that households spend their entire income on consumption. Nothing is saved. What they are getting as income, they will spend this income for the purchase of goods and services produced by the firms. What is fourth point? Firms sell their entire output to household. What is produced using land, labor, capital and entrepreneur, that is goods and services. They sell these goods and services to the household. Fourth point is firms sell their entire output to the households. And the fifth point is that the economy is a closed economy without government. So, in sectors we study the government sector. Here in a simple economy we can see only two sectors, that is household sector and firm, and there is no government intervention. The fifth point says that the economy is a closed economy without the government sector. Let's study the diagram in details. So the main activities of the household, we already studied that there are two sectors, household sector and firms. The main activities of the household is the supply of factors of production. What is household sales? That is factors of production like land, labor, capital and entrepreneur. The household sector give the factors of production they own, namely land, labor, capital and entrepreneur, to the firms. This is the first flow. This is the first flow, that is from household to the firm. The household give factors of production that they own, that are land, labor, capital and entrepreneur. Using these factors of production, the firms produce goods and services. Using these factors of production, the firms produce goods and services. They rewarded the owner of factors of production. Who is the owner of factors of production? Household is the owner of factors of production. They are supplying land, labor, capital and entrepreneur. And for that the firm is rewarding. The firm is rewarding for these factors of production. For the land they give rent. For the labor they give wages, and for the capital they give interest, and for the entrepreneur they will get profit. These are the rewards that they are getting. The second loop, that is factor income. The second flow is the firms give rewards for the factors of production to the household. We call it as factor income, that is rent for land, wages for labor, interest for capital and profit for entrepreneurship. This is the second flow. And the third one, the household use the factor income. They got the income from the firm as rent, wages, interest and profit. This household use the factor income to buy the goods and services made by the firm. So, what is the third loop? The household use the factor income for the purchase of goods and services made by the firm. In this way, money flow from household to the firm. Money flow from the household to the firm. That shows the third flow, the expenditure for goods and services. The money that the household give to the firms to buy goods and services, that is the third flow. In return, the firms gives goods and services to the households. This is the fourth flow. Thus the circular flow is completed. In short, we can say that the flow of factors of production, the flow of factor payment or factor income, flow of expenditure and flow of goods and services between the household and firms. And this is called the circular flow of income. Nothing is saved. here. Income is not saved. What is produced, that is sell in the sector, it's in the household sector. What is a household earn as an income is spent for the purchase of goods and services. This loop is known as circular flow of income. The next one is the types of flow. There are two types of flows, that is money flow and real flow. The money flows, that is factors of production and factors of factors of payment and factors of production. The types of flows are divided into two, that is real flow and money flow. What is real flow? Real flow refers to the flow of factors services from the household to firm and the corresponding flow of goods and services from the firms to household. This is known as physical flow, that is real flow, that is factors of production, that is land, labor, capital and organization. All these are physical flows that shows that is used for the production purposes, and goods and services that also categorized as the physical flow, goods and services that is produced by the firms. And what is money flow? Money flow is the factor payment for using the land, labor, capital and organization. Firms are giving rewards for the household. This is the money flow. That is factor payment, that is rent, wages, interest and profit. This is money flow. And the price of goods and services is also money flow, categorized as money flow. So these are the two types of flow, circular flows, real flow and money flow. So the outer loop included the real flow, that is the factors of production, land, labor, capital and entrepreneur, and the supply of goods and services. That is the outer loop of the diagram, that is number 1 and number 4. That is the outer loop that shows the real flow or the physical flow, and the inner loop, that is the factor income and uh, expenditure on the goods and services, that shows the money flow. These are the two types of flows. So these are the circular flow of income in a simple sector or a simple economy. Okay, thank you.